Phantom continues to see higher prices after a massive breakdown move on the 5th of August in a move that gave us a low below the 0.2579, and this massive movement to the upside has also continued to obey the 𝗕𝗲𝗃𝗃 structures. And on today's video I will be discussing my breakout target areas and also give you my long-term price prediction analysis, so make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And for those of you that might want to take a trade on Phantom, you can check out BINANCE, which is giving you up to $5,000 in rewards, where you can get up to that USDT in sign-up bonuses. So make sure that you check out the link down in the description box. And getting back to the charts, you can see that Phantom has continued to obey the 𝗕𝗲𝗃𝗃 structures, where we have now peaked in this 𝗕𝗲𝗃 count 1. And after we picked in that 𝗕𝗲𝗃 count 1, I said to you in my previous video that I was expecting a bit of a pullback in this 𝗕𝗲𝗃 count 2, whose minimum target area I have highlighted here on the charts using this red target area. And this is an area that I came up with using the Fibonacci's, connecting the fibs from the low of the first wave to the high of that 𝗕𝗲𝗃 count 1, giving me a minimum pullback target area between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.618, which perfectly lies between the 0.2941 and the 0.2856, which is an area that we almost fully maximized. And there are high chances that we have now bottomed out in that second wave, and whatever is playing out at the moment is the start of an impulsive wave in this 𝗕𝗲𝗃 count 3. And to get a confirmation that we have started this movement in this 𝗕𝗲𝗃 count 3, I say to you that we needed to see a break above the high for this 𝗕𝗲𝗃 count 1. And you can see that at the moment we have managed to break above that. We are also holding above the 20-day MA here on the 1-hour chart, which is also acting as support. And as a result of that, I can now give you my minimum target areas for that 𝗕𝗲𝗃 count 3 by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that 𝗕𝗲𝗃 count 1, then drag the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area for the third wave at the fib level 1.618, which perfectly lies above the 0.4082, and that is the next target area that I'm expecting Phantom to hit in the next coming hours. So for the next coming hours, I'm expecting higher prices, and we also need to see a break above a significant key area of resistance above the 0.3931, and a break above that, then we can easily maximize our minimum target areas in this 𝗕𝗲𝗃 count 3. Then from that point we can expect a bit of a pullback in a fourth wave, then continue gearing up even higher in this 𝗕𝗲𝗃 count 5. So that is the price action that I'm expecting here on the short term on the Phantom chart. And jumping to the daily chart to now give you my long-term price prediction analysis, still basing it on the 𝗕𝗲𝗃 structures. You can see that on the daily chart, after we got our bear market lows, we saw a very nice bounce to the upside in a move that gave us a high above the $1.2344 in March, in what I'm terming as this 𝗕𝗲𝗃 count 1. Then we started a bit of a breakdown move in a larger 𝗕𝗲𝗃 count 2, whose minimum target areas I have highlighted here on the charts using this blue target area, which is an area that we have now fully maximized. And using the Fibonacci's, connecting the fibs from the bear market low to that high, you can see that we have also continued to hold above the fib level 0.88, which is a significant area on the Fibonacci's. And as long as we continue holding above that area, there are high chances that in the next coming weeks or maybe months we can see another massive bounce to the upside in this 𝗕𝗲𝗃 count 3. And in case of any sudden pullbacks, losing the fib level 0.88, then that will be putting Phantom at risk, because we can easily see a total breakdown move giving us a reset of the bear market lows. So that is something that we also need to have in mind, and that is what I'm expecting here on the long term, on the Phantom chart, and also on the short term. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will be keeping you up to date.